little home day, home vlog. Here with the kids. The rest of the gang is on the way home. School gets out at 3:05, so they should be here pretty soon. But right now, I'm here with the kids. I am, like I said, cleaning out the microwave. I got some hot water in this little cup right here. It's hot. Measuring cup, and I put it in the microwave. There's Bobby Bear. Say hi, Bobby Bear. Hi. Say hey, friends. So the second outfit change of the day. She had on a cute little outfit, but then she ate lunch and ruined it. I want to see Ducey boy. Hey, Mama's boy. Hi, Mama's boy. Hi. And Bolly keep running on his bed. Get off the bed, Bolly, or you're going to fall, honey chill. You're being hard-headed. Hey, stop, Bubba. Bubba gonna get you for messing up his bed. You better stop. You better stop. You better stop. You better stop. I'm gonna get that hand. You better stop. You better stop. I'm gonna get that hand. And there's my Juicy boy. Say hello, friends. Say hello, friends. Oh, there go Body Girl. Say hello, friends. Hi, friends. Okay. I'm gonna bless you, baby boy. I'm gonna get back to work. Bye. Bless you, baby boy. Bless my boy. Bless my boy. Yeah. Bless him, Lord. And bless this child too. There she go. Bless that child too. Bless her, Lord. Bless her. Anyways, I'm gonna put y'all up on the stand and finish cleaning out my microwave because it's been long overdue. That hot water trick really worked. If you put a cup of hot water in there and let it like boil over for like a while, it really does get the microwave clean. It really does work. It really does work. Up there go my son. Gotta go get him. 1 second, my boy. It does it really fast too. Like all this food came out real good, quick too. Okay, y'all. Gotta get my boy. When I say swing up really quick, we're gonna put him in the bed. And there go Hardhead. On the bed again. Get off the bed, Bolly. Bolly Bear, get off the bed. Bubba's gonna get you from messing up his bed. Get off his bed, child. Alright. Let's put Juicy Boy in the swing for a second, okay? You wanna get in the swing? That Jello was stop yelling at the boy, girl. I'm yelling at my bubba. My bubba. You want to pacifier? I don't want no pacifier, mama. I don't want no pacifier, mama. You want a blanket? Sorry, Bubba Bear. Alright, you better? You better now? You got a little movement going on? Clean your toys up, little girl. Got him quiet. Now I gotta get her quiet. No, just kidding. I clean her mess. She had lunch and destroyed her chair. So she had to do an outfit change because she got dirty. Clean this up and I'm gonna go back to my microwave. Quit eating off the floor. Quit eating off the floor. Stop. Bob, come on, you're gonna mess on my floor. Don't step on these beans, girlfriend. What are you doing? Belly boy, what are you doing, child? I'm trying to clean up. I'm trying to clean up, girl. Girl. Trying to clean up, girl. Leave my phone alone. I seen you trying to go get it. Leave it alone, girl. Baby, what I tell you? Get my phone. Y'all come get this girl. She just don't listen. She don't listen. It's mama's. It's mama's. Molly, it's my camera. It's my phone. I was recording and you couldn't take it from me. You can't do that. Some movie. Okay, turn them on some TV so they can watch that and be entertained while I keep this microwave and skin cleaned out. Okay, y'all. So now that I got microwave clean, I want to go ahead and put the dinner in containers so I can finish cleaning up my kitchen for the day. Cause I got work tonight and I don't want to be going to bed or coming home in the morning with no dirty kitchen. So go ahead and put all the food up in containers, and then when the gang get home, they can just grab from our containers, close the lid, put it in the refrigerator. That's how I usually do my kitchen. It's easier that way, and I ain't got to clean up behind nobody, and you get done, and put it up. That's a mom hack, as y'all call them. I say it's just making my night go a lot more smoother. That's what I call it. Ain't no hack. Make it easy on yourself. One pot out the way. I made sweet potatoes. Put this in the container. Boom, got that going. This in time. Then we have the chicken over here. Right here. Put this in here, put a little barbecue sauce over it. Boom, got that out the way. What are you doing? Excuse me. Now we gotta lid, top it off with the lids and get it on the counter so everybody get here. Don't eat. Close. It's a little much. Too much food in that one. We'll put that on the bottom. Potatoes. Alright, see? Dinner served and ready to go. Got me a treat. Thank you, Sissy. Let's see what she's talking about. She made us some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, they soft baked too. Alright. Good. Okay. Little fake treat. I got the kids down now. Well, Ball watching TV. Juice over here asleep. Looking so cute. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get his bed cleaned up. Real quick while he in the seat. Hold on. Real quick. Yes, ma'am. And then I'm gonna throw this laundry in the machine and get this laundry off the bed real quick. After I get this bed changed real quick. Go ahead and get these clothes in the machine real quick. And then we'll fold the other ones up for the day. Jonay got her clothes in here. I'm gonna put them in her room real quick. Likes to help mommy wash clothes. She'll literally pass me everything in the basket. You ready, boy girl? You ready? Let's go. You gonna eat the clothes? Or you gonna put them in the washing machine? Sock. Give me that your onesie over there. Gonna wash the towel separate. And all the clothes. In a onesie. Okay, give me that sock, Bubby. Give me the sock. We're gonna put this back in the basket until we get more towels, okay? Yeah, we use the all free and clear pods to wash our clothes. And I got kind of like a big load, so maybe I'll use like 3. I mean, I shouldn't use that much, but I like my clothes to smell good. So, I use 3. Thank you, Polly, for your help. Regular and start. We'll close the door. No, ma'am. What's she doing with that basket? Bally, what are you doing? Bally, what are you doing? back in there. Come here so I can change you. Diaper change. Diaper change. Busy with the clothes with my assistant. What happened? Oh, you hurt your head. Yeah. Let me see. Come here. You okay, Bug Bear? You alright? What you doing, girl? This air is so cold. Go off. A tiny home gets so cold, y'all. The AC goes a long way around here. It is never hot in a tiny home. It's really cold. Laundry all done. Has arrived. The father's in the bathroom, and the sisters are right there. And Juicy Butt is woken up for the day. I end the vlog here. Y'all have a good day. See you guys in another video.